benefit of that is you get more power to the motor and you have better fuel consumption on your vehicle. So basically you have three services. You have a minor service which concludes of an oil filter, a sound plug and an oil change. That's the minor service. That's every 15,000 kilometers. Every 30,000 kilometers you have your interval service. That is your oil change, oil filter, air filter and cabin filter and your sound plug. That's every 30,000 kilometers. Every 60,000 kilometers, that is your major service, which concludes of, it depends on your vehicle, if it's a diesel or a petrol. Usually in the petrols you have an air filter, fuel filter, you get your spark plug, sound plug, oil filter, oil change and an air filter. The cam weld you do every 120,000 kilometers or every 5 years. What happens with that is time. Time is your biggest enemy on that. Your cam weld will start to corrode and start to fade. With the timing chain, it works with hydraulic tensioners. The only time that you have to replace them if the hydraulic tensioners get stuck or if there's no oil pressure in your motor. It depends. If in your current water system, if there's only water in, it's better to top it up with just coolant. But if your system already has coolant in, you can top it up with water, but not too much. Otherwise, then your system will start to corrode, and that is very bad for the water pump because then it will start to rust and then the water will not flow through your engine.